Hey Professor, this is Amal Mohammed Mera from CSE 110, and this is my take on question 1. Here is question 1, and we're told to write a function letter value with input letter which returns the value of a single string letter as follows. Any single letter from A through G inclusive has a value of 10. Any single letter H to N inclusive has a value of 20. Any single letter O through U inclusive has a value of 30, and any single letter V through Z inclusive has a value of 40. Anything else for letter, lowercase letter or number or punctuation, etc. has a value of 0. So first of all, we define the function letter value with its input. Then we use an if statement and say if A is less than letter and G is also less than letter, we return 10. Else if H is less than letter and is also N is also less than letter, we return 20. H to N, so that it's inclusive. Else if O is less than letter and also U is less than letter, we return 30. From this we mean, like this line of code, we mean O to U inclusive. Letter stands for this letters, the strings of letters. So yeah, else if V is less than letter and also V to Z, and basically what it means is V to Z, any letter from V to Z inclusive, return 40. Else if not, if like not this uppercase letters or any punctuation, space, return 0. So we do for letter in, these are what we're given by the question. Print letter, and by letter we mean this, has value, letter value LTR. LTR is, we're gonna be returning this, like this A to G. If it's A to G, it's gonna return 10. If it's H to N, it's gonna return 20. If it's O to U, it's gonna return 30. And if it's V to Z, it's gonna return 40. And if not, like this this hyphen here, this space here, this I here, it's gonna return 0. So let's try running that, and let's see what we get. Oh, so sorry, let's try running that again. So yeah, I could do this now. So A has a value of 10, yeah. D has a value of 10, yes. G has a value of 10. Space has value 0, and I has value 0. H has value 20. L has value 20, hyphen has value 0, N has value 20, and yeah, that is true, and that's how I did number 1. Thank you. Bye-bye.